I found the cutest thing at the scrapyard, and I decided to give it a second chance because look at it. No! I hate that! You speak English!
闇の心地よさを教えてやろう。
Okay, it's got some problems. Other than it being Japanese, it's also missing some pieces, and I didn't know what the heck this thing was. Turns out it's a little bit like a post-Vise's child, but the closest thing I could find to it was this. And I don't like those butterfly nuts, so we're gonna combine the two. And to do that, we're gonna need to make one of these from scrap. This is pretty much a fancy bolt and nut. The nut mustn't be able to turn though, and I had a pretty good idea to secure it. But now I'm gonna start with the bolt.
I got a stick. Ooh, I got a stick. Ooh.
That is one big pile of shit.
Doesn't look so good, but as long as there's no cracks, we'll be okay. Hold on a second. What is this?
Befehl! Der Angriff steigert mein Befehl!